Donna sung. Donna the donkey lives in a village. He likes the way his friends play, but he cannot do it the right way. There is a singing contest in the car festival. What will I do? Thinks Donna. Let me ask my friends. Donna goes out to see. How do you grunt, Piggy? Donna asks Piggy the pig. Simple. Roll left. Then lift your nose. Donna cannot do that.
How do you bleed, Chanu? Donna asked Chanu the sheep. I flick my tail, jump up and down, and then shout, Ba, ba. Donna cannot do that.
How do you? Me, Ari. Donna asks Ari the odds. I shake my tail, keep my ears set and say, Ni, no, Donna cannot do that.